Hi Tube, Dre here. Listen, I thought the fuse for the cigarette lighter was under the back seat. Turns out that's not the fuse. The fuse for the cigarette lighter is out here. And it's that fuse right there. It's that fuse right there. It's supposed to be a 20 amp fuse, but I don't have a spare. It was that blown 20 amp fuse right there. I just put it there so I can remember. But I didn't have another 20 amp fuse, so I just put a 10 amp fuse. And I got the cigarette lighter to working now. But you had to play with the cigarette lighter to get it to work. So I decided to go buy another cigarette lighter. I was gonna go to Pull Apart. Well, I was gonna go to AutoZone. How about I got this at the Cadillac place and only spent like $5 for it. $4.98 before tax. Well, I wanted another one of these because I couldn't get it off, but I had to tear it off so it won't stick back in the hole. It won't stay in the hole now. So what I had to do is I'm gonna get some super glue and glue it where it stays in that hole. It won't stay in there now. See, it won't stay in there. So I'm gonna get some super glue and put around this. First I gotta make sure this thing works. The salesman didn't want to sell it to me because mine had 3 prom, this one had 2 prom, but I explained to him that the 3rd prom was not being used. Okay, so let me see, will it work? The other one would work, you just had to play with it. Damn, does the car have to be on for it to work? Yep, the damn car has to be on. Another one of them. Ain't got to be. Oh well. So anyway, we're gonna unplug it. I gotta slide this on and put some super glue on it. I'm gonna put some super glue right here, a couple places on it, and then stick it in there. God, I hate messing with glue. Damn it, I gotta cut it. Ooh, do I gotta cut it? Hey, I don't have to cut it. I think I put too much. That should be enough to hold it in there. Now, how long that's gonna stay, I don't know. I gotta put this in here. That. Hopefully it stays. Damn, should have used it in more than just 2 spots? We'll find out. Alright, we're just gonna pretend like that's. Anyway, I'll come back after get stuff.